ओम मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविधूननेन परमानन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। अद्वैत सिद्धि, पेज नंबर 354. The topic of discussion, according to Upadesha Sahasri, Bhagavan Bhashyakar said that the Chaitanya which will reveal the Vishaya is Vritti Upahita Chaitanya or Vritti Pratibhimbita Chaitanya. And according to Vartikakar Sureshwaracharya ji, it is the Adhisthana Chaitanya which will make the Vishaya manifest. Means that Adhisthana Chaitanya will remove Vishaya Avaranam. Vishaya Ajnana Avaranam will be removed by Adhisthana Chaitanya. And according to Upadesha Sahasri, the Vritti Pratiphalita Chaitanya will remove the Avaranam. Okay. First line on 354. So, what did Advaita Siddhikar said? You remember?
It is not vritti pratiphalita chaitanyam that does prakashanam. It only removes avaranam.
So here he said Adhisthana Chaitanya. Prakashakam tavat Adhisthana Chaitanyam. See 353, second last line. What is the Prakashakam? Adhisthana Chaitanyam. That Adhisthana Chaitanya has Adhyasa Sambandha with all the Vishayas which are present there. And that Adhisthana Chaitanya is Swayam Prakasha. And therefore, Swayam Bhasamanasya Swasambandha Sarva Bhasakatvam. Anything that is associated with that, it will illumine all of that. So, he gave the answer, it is Adhisthana Chaitanya. And if you don't accept that, there is Kalpana Gaurava. Tacha Anabhivyaktam Nirvikalpaka Rupam Achadita Deepavat Na Prakashakam Iti Tad Abhivyaktir Apekshita. So then somebody says that Adhisthana Chaitanya is there all the time. Why can't it reveal the Vishaya? Why it has to wait for the Vritti, etc.? So he says this Tacha Ajnana Abhivyaktam. Tacha Anabhivyaktam. It is Anabhivyakta Chaitanya. Nirvikalpaka Rupam. That Chaitanya is Nirvikalpakam. Achadita Deepavat. Like if there is a lamp, but if it is covered by, let's say, a pot or some steel container which will cover the light. Achadita Deepavat na prakashakam. Then it does not have the ability to illuminate. Iti tad abhivyaktihi apekshita. and therefore its abhivyakti is to be done. How it will happen? That is what he explains. Tat means tasya. Tasya abhivyakti. Tasya kasya?
चैतन्यस्य
अधिष्ठान चैतन्यस्य. तच्च परोक्ष स्थले वृत्ति अवच्छेदेन एव अभिव्यज्यते. When paroksha विषय is there, परोक्ष स्थले वृत्ति अवच्छेदेन एव अभिव्यज्यते. वृत्ति अवच्छेदेन चैतन्यम अधिष्ठान चैतन्यम अभिव्यज्यते. It becomes manifest. Vritti avachedana means where, of what nature that vritti is, only there that chaitanya will manifest. So let us say if ghata is kept here and pata is kept here, but if my attention is only on ghata and I don't see pata, so only ghata avachinna adhisthana chaitanya abhivyajyate, na tu pata avachinna adhisthana chaitanya. Why? Because there is no vritti. Patakara vritti did not happen. That's why vritti avachedena. Paroksha sthale means, because in pratyaksha you can say wherever there is indriya sannikarsha, only that is getting revealed. But here that's why he gives example of paroksha. Aparoksha sthale tu vritti samparkat. After that there is a patha bheda. What is given here is vritti samparkat apanna jadya vibhave vishayo abhivyajyate. So patha, either you say apanna jadya. Jadya means ajnana. और आवरण अज्ञान अभिभवे. आवरण अज्ञान अभिभव. Abhibhava means overpowering. So when the avaran ajnana is overpowered or is destroyed, then not vishayo abhivyajyate. Vishayavachedena abhivyajyate. Vishayavachedena kim abhivyajyate?
चैतन्य
अधिष्ठान चैतन्य. Vishayavachedena अधिष्ठान. Vishayo abhivyajyate. Instead of that you change it to Vishayavachedena abhivyajyate. And apanna jadya abhibhave, instead of that you make it ajnana avaran abhibhave. Vrittir vishaya paryantatvat, because vritti goes up to vishaya, is vishaya paryanta. Therefore, there where the vishaya is, there the vritti will go, and vritti abhivyakta chaitanya will reveal that adhisthana chaitanya. न च परोक्ष स्थले अपि एवं प्रसंगः. Somebody may say, if happening, why can't it happen same thing in paroksha sthala also? Why can't it happen? Because what?
Vritti doesn't go out to paroksha sthala.
Dwara bhavena antakarana nirgati abhavat. There is no dwara, indriya dwara, by which in aparoksha sthala vritti goes out. But in this case, there is no dwara. Dwara abhavena antakarana nirgati abhavat. So antakarana bahirdesha nirgamanam is not there. Therefore, same thing will not happen in case of paroksha sthala. Nanu vritte stadakaratvam na tavat vishayatvam na tavat tad vishayatvam. Now a question, discussion begins. What is vrittehe tadakaratva? You say vritti became vishayakara. Means what? So three vikalpas are created. One is tad vishayatvam. Tad vishayatvam is tadakaratvam. One. Second, tasmin chaitanya uparaga yogyata apadakatvam. Second. Third is tad ajnana abhibhavakatvam. Vah. They are given, some other words are there in between. So I just read the three vikalpas. First vikalpa is
Tadakarat.
tad vishayatvam. Tad vishayatvam is the vikalpa number one. Tasmin chaitanya uparaga yogyata apadakatvam is vikalpa number two. And tad ajnana abhibhavakatvam is number three. So Purvapakshi says these three vikalpas are for what?
Tadakaratvam.
Parokshasthali.
Tadakaratvam. What do you mean by tadakaratvam of vritti? Tad vishayatvam, tasmin chaitanya uparag yogyata apadakatvam, tad ajnana abhibhavakatvam. So he says first one is not possible. Not avat tad vishayatvam. Why? Tas tvayaiva nirasat. You only have refuted that there is no vishayatvam as far as vritti is concerned. You said that in vritti, this vishayi bhava does not happen. Earlier we saw in the previous topic, the dridrishya. So this will not work, he says. Then, नापि तस्मिन् चैतन्य उपराग योग्यता आपादकत्वम् और तद अज्ञान अभिभावकत्वम् वा उभयोरपि तदाकारत्व प्रयोज्यत्वेन तत्वायोगात्. उभयोः means chaitanya uparaga yogyata. See, chaitanya is there, but that chaitanya uparaga means sambandha. Chaitanya sambandha should happen. Chaitanya sambandha with vritti. Chaitanya sambandha with vritti will happen only when there is some akara in vritti. So he says that Chaitanya uparaga yogyata apadakatvam. So yogyata apadakam means to give. Apadakatvam, this is the tadakaratvam of the vritti. Or the next one is ajnana abhibhavakatvam. To remove the ajnanam, he says these both will not work. Why? Ubhayoropi tadakaratva prayojyatvena. These two, they are tadakara prayojya. And therefore, they cannot be called as tadakaratva. So what he says is, when Chaitanya uparaga yogyata has to happen, it already should have that vishayakarata. Once that vishayakarata is there, then Chaitanya uparaga yogyata will come. Then that Chaitanya will have sambandha with that vritti. If it is ghatakara vritti, then Chaitanya will have sambandha so that ghata will be lived. If it is patakara vritti, pata will be lived. So Chaitanya Sambandha will depend upon Vritti. So therefore, Chaitanya Sambandha cannot happen unless there is Tadakara Vritti already. So Purvapakshi says Tadakara Vritti is Prayojya. Tadakaratva Prayojyatvena Tattva Ayogat. Similarly, Ajnana Abhibhavakatvam also, only that Ajnanam will be eliminated, which Akara Vritti is already there. So Ghatakara Vritti, if it is there, then only Ghatakara or Ghata Ajnana Abhibhavakatvam will happen. And therefore, Prayojya and Prayojaka, they have to be different. So what Siddhanti said, Tadakaratvam is Prayojya. And Chaitanya Uparag Yogyata Apadakatvam or Ajnana Vibhavakatvam, they are Prayojya. This Tadakaratvam is Prayojaka. So they are different. Napi Ghatadivat Pruthu Budunodaradyakaratvam. Sakara Vada Pata. If you say, like in Bauddha, they say there is no Vishaya outside. Without Vishaya being outside, Vritti gets only Tadakara. Ghatadivat Pruthu Budno Daradi Akaratvam. He said that is not possible, like how they say. Sakaravad means Vritti will become Sakara. So this is according to Bauddha Mata. Yogachar Mata. That outside Vishayas are not there, only Vritti becomes Vishayakara. So just as object has Akara, Vritti will have Akara. Without any Vishaya Sambandha. So that is called Sakaravada. Samsthanahina Jati Gunadi Vrittir Nirakaratva Prasangacha. Samsthanahina. Things like Jati Guna. If Tadakara Vritti is there, Jati Akara Vritti means what? So Purvapakshi says it is Nirakara. There is no Akara. Therefore, Jati Gunadi Vrittehe Tadakara Vritti, if it happens, there is Nirakaratva Prasanga. So then you cannot say, just like Ghatakara Vritti, Patakara Vritti, Jati Akara Vritti means what? There is no Akara in Jati. There is no Akara in Guna. So it will become Nirakara. Then there is Samuha Alambana Jnana. Ghatapata Viti Samuha Alambane Viruddha Nanakaratva Apattescha iti. In Samuha Alambana Jnanam, Viruddha Nana Akara. Samuha Alambanam means more than one Vishaya is there. Let's say 20 Vishayas are there all in front of you. Together you see them. This one Jnanam with 20 things put as one Vishaya. You can say there are 20 Vishayas in one Jnanam. In that, if there are opposing things, then you will have contradictory vrittis. For example, something is there, sweet and sour. So then, which akara vritti is happening? Viruddha akara, sweet also and sour also at the same time. So this contradiction. Viruddha nanakaratva apatyasya. In Ghatapata, it's not virodha, but it's still there are different vrittis. Akaras are different. Iti ched. Na. Asti अस्तित्यादि तद विषयक व्यवहार प्रतिबंधक अज्ञान निवर्तन योग्यत्वस्य तत्सन्निकृष्ट करणजन्यत्वस्य वा तदाकारत्व रूपत्वात्. Asti, Siddhanti says, इत्यादि तद विषयक व्यवहार प्रतिबंधक. What does vritti do? You remember in Panchadashi there is a definition for pratibandha. Pratibandhosti नास्तीति विषयाकार वस्तुनि तन्निरस्य विरुद्धस्य तस्योपादानम् उच्यते. I think this is the shloka.
प्रतिबन्धोऽस्ति भाति इति.
प्रतिबंधोस्ति इति भाति. अस्ति भाति. प्रतिबंधोस्ति भाति इति व्यवहारार्ह वस्तुनि. व्यवहार योग्य वस्तु, in that asti and bhati are covered. तन्निरस्य विरुद्धस्य तस्य उत्पादनम. So something is there, asti, it is hidden, or bhati, it is hidden. That's why there are two avarana, asatva padaka and abhana padaka avarana. So tad asti ityadi tad vishayaka vyavahara pratibandhaka. Tad vishayaka vyavahara pratibandhaka, obstructing that, ajnana nivartana yogyattvasya. तत् सन्निकृष्ट करणजन्यत्वस्य वा तदाकारत्व रूपत्वात्. तत् सन्निकृष्ट, that which is in proximity, सन्निकृष्ट करणजन्यत्वस्य वा, and it is, proximity means it is not paroksha, it is aparoksha, and karanajanyattvasya va tadakaratva rupatvat. So what is the role of this vritti? It has the yogyata for pratibandhaka ajnana nivritti. Pratibandhaka ajnana nivartana yogyattvasya. What is the pratibandhaka for? Vyavahara pratibandhaka. Or vishaya sannikrishta karanajanyattvasya. Tad akaratva rupatvan. So in vritti, that is called vishayakara. So whichever vishaya whose asti bhati is not available, this vritti which makes something which was nasti, it makes it asti. Na bhati, it makes it bhati. That is called vishayakara. Vishayakarata means don't imagine too much into the shape of the vritti, whose vyavahara pratibandhakatva ajnana it is removing. That is called the akara. Or their vishaya sannikrishta karanajanyatva indriya janya vritti is called tadakaratva. तद उभयम च स्व कारण अधीन स्वभाव विशेषा. Both of them, they are dependent upon स्व कारण, so that अस्ति भाति व्यवहार प्रतिबंधक अज्ञान निवर्तन योग्यता is based on its karana, means how that vritti is generated, or the karana, whatever is the indriya adi karana. Sometimes the karana can be different. Karana can be because many vrittis are not about vishayas only. Vritti is about, let's say you are doing some chintanam about what you should do, what you should study, how you should study, or something was not clear, you are thinking about it. So then there is no vishaya, bahya vishaya is not involved. That vritti only based on your chintanam, so there is no external karana. Swakarana adhina swabhava is this only. That am I doing some anumanam? Am I using some shruti? Am I using upamana, etc.? So they will have some visheshata. The vritti will have visheshata based on its karana. Nacha atmashraya. Visheshata in the sense like pratyaksha jnanam of a flower will give you one type of vritti. Paroksha jnanam, if you are doing anumanam of that same flower, vritti will be different, because ajnana nivritti of so many aspects doesn't happen in anumana vritti. Let's say it is upamana, sadrishya jnana. How much sadrishya you can see, depending upon that, tadakara vritti will be different. Okay, so now there is a question. Somebody says, if vritti will remove vishaya avarana, then it will have the ability to do ajnana nivritti. Ajnana nivartana yogyatvam will come after vritti has removed the avarana. Or first the vritti will become ajnana nivartika, then it will remove avarana. Means first will it remove avarana, then you can say it has the ability to remove ignorance, or first it will remove ignorance, then you can say now it has removed avarana. So first it has the ability to remove ignorance, or first it removes the vishaya avaranam, ajnanam. In this, Purva Pakshi says there could be atmashraya dosha. In Hindi they have given that. In Sanskrit they have not given this. Fourth line you see. वृत्ति जब विषय आवरण को निवृत्त कर दे, तब उसमें अज्ञान निवर्तन योग्यत्व रूप विषयाकारता होती है. वन. और विषयाकार वृत्ति अज्ञान की निवर्तिका बनेगी. इस प्रकार अज्ञान निवर्तन योग्यता में अज्ञान निवर्तन योग्यता की अपेक्षा होने से आत्माश्रय दोष होता है. Vritti, when it removes Vishaya Avarana, then you can say it has the ability to remove Ajnanam, Ajnana Nivartana Yogyatvam. That is the Vishaya Akar. Or Otherwise, if Vishayakara vritti has Ajnana Nivartika, it is Ajnana Nivartika, then it will remove the Avarana. So in this way, for Ajnana Nivartana Yogyatva, there is Apeksha for Ajnana Nivartana Yogyatva. This is Atmashraya. He says, no, nacha Atmashraya. Nivritti Janana Swarupa Yogyataya Phalopadhanasya Sadhyatvena Swa Anapekshanat. Swarupa Yogyatvam and Phalopadhayakatvam. Swarupa Yogyatvam. If there is a danda, danda will have dandatvam. It has Swarupa Yogyatvam for becoming Nimitta Karana for Ghata. Phalopadhayakatvam means it actually was used to produce a particular Ghata. So not only it has dandatvam, it was used to produce Ghata. In the other case, it was not used, but it has dandatvam. Then what happened? It was not a real danda, it was a sugarcane stick which elephant ate. So no danda could come out of it. I mean, no ghata utpatti could happen. This is called phalopadhanat, swarupa yogyatvam. Phalopadhayakatvam is the other one where actually you use the danda which becomes nimitta karana for ghata. So he said, Nivritti Janana Swarupa Yogyataya Phalopadhanasya Sadhyatvena Swa Anapekshana. Nivritti Janana Yogyata is there. Producing phala is different. So there is no Atmashraya. One is it has ability to produce something. Second is it produces the phalam. So the ability is different. Phalam is different. To give an example, a plant has the ability to produce a fruit. The plant is different, fruit is different. You cannot say the ability to produce the fruit of the plant is same as the fruit. They are two different things. Why? Because the ability stays in karana. What is produced is karyam. They are different. So between them there is sadhya sadhana bhava. So phalopadhanasya sadhyatvena. Phalopadhanam is sadhyam. And nivritti janana swarupa yogyatvam is sadhanam. So they are different. Sadhyatvena swa anapekshana. So you cannot say it is atmashraya. They are two different things. Nanu drishi vishayadhyasa svikartur jiva chaitanyam va vishayadrak brahma chaitanyam va. Three vikalpas. They say this drashta. See, you should also notice the thought process from where to where we are going. First, we started with Pratikarma Vyavastha. Topic is still Pratikarma Vyavastha. That for each Vishaya, if all Vishayas are Mithya, how do you say there is Ghatakar Vritti different from Patakar Vritti if everything is Mithya? All are Adhyastha in Chaitanya. So from that, the discussion started. That no, in Vyavahara, particular Vishayakara Vritti is there. And at that time, we are not discussing here Drishti Srishti Vada. We are only discussing Srishti Drishti Vada. Means there is some Vishaya already existing, then Tadakar Vritti happens. Not that everything happens at the same time. Which is what is the case in case of Swapna. In Swapna, One Vishayas are not already existing, then you get the Vritti, etc. Pramata, Praman, Prame, everything happens together. It is only one. So from there, then what is this Vishaya? So the Vishayas are adhyastha in that, how they are adhyastha, how the Vishaya Jnanam takes place. So different Vikalpas are created. Chaitanya, Vritti, Ajnanam is there, Ajnana Avachhinna Chaitanya or Antakarana Avachhinna Chaitanya, Adhisthana Chaitanya, like that. And who is the Jiva? Then this topic that we saw today so far. How, according to Upadesh Sahasri, what is thought, and according to Vartikakara, what is the Mata, and the discussion. Now he says, in Drashta Chaitanya, Drishi, Vishaya Adhyasa Svikartuhu, Jiva Chaitanyam, this Jiva Chaitanyam, who Vishaya Adhyasa Svikarta, is Jiva Chaitanyam or Vishaya Drik or Brahma Chaitanyam. So, Vishaya Adhyasa Svikarta. Drashta. Is it Jiva Chaitanya or Vishaya Drashta or Brahma Chaitanya?
Brahma Chaitanya.
So, who is the Drashta of this Vishaya? That is the discussion. Jive, na Adya, not the first one. Why? Jive avachinna chit swarupe kalpite adhyasa ayogat. Jiva itself is kalpita. Avachinna chit swarupe. It is that Chaitanya which is conditioned antakarana avachinna Chaitanya. In that, how adhyasa will happen? Adhyasa will happen in the adhishthanam which is satya. In that which itself is adhyastha, another adhyasa need not happen. I mean, that is not the case. It can happen. Like how I already feel I am Manushya. This is already adhyasa. Then if I start thinking I am not a good person, let us say, and I think I am good person. This is another adhyasa. Already you are living in illusion. On top of that, you create another illusion. If somebody doesn't know much and he thinks, I know Shastras. So already there is one illusion. From Brahma you have come to Jiva. Now another illusion you want to create. So kalpite adhyasa ayogat. Nacha vishaya drik jiva chaitanya meva. Vishaya drashta jiva chaitanyam. Vishaya drik jiva chaitanya meva. Adhyasastu brahma chaitanya. Iti. Somebody says it. Vishaya drashta is jiva chaitanya. And adhyasa is in brahma chaitanya. Iti nacha vacha. This is how he thinks. Adhyasa is happening in Brahma. Drashta is Jiva Chaitanya. Why this is not true? Drishyayo, this is Purva Paksha. Drishyayor eva adhyasika sambandha apatte. Adhyastha adhisthanayor ubhayor api drig bhinnatvat. Drishyayoho eva. Of the drishya, two drishyas, adhyasika sambandha is possible. Adhyasika sambandha apatti will happen, not possible. Adhyasika sambandha apatti will happen. How? Because Jiva Chaitanya is also adhyasa and Vishaya Chaitanya is also adhyasa. So between them, Vishaya Drashta is Jiva, if you say, Vishaya Drashta and Vishaya, which is Adhyastha, between them there is Adhyasa Sambandha. That is not possible. Why? Adhyastha Adhisthanayor Ubhayor api Drug Bhinnatvat. Adhyastha and Adhisthana, both of them, they are different from Drashta. Drug Bhinnatva. Drug Bhinnatva means Brahma Chaitanya, if you say, is Drashta. No, first paksha. Jiva Chaitanya is Vishadrug. He says, Adhyastha Adhisthanayoho Ubhayoho api. They both are Drug Bhinna. Adhyastha means Vishaya. Adhisthana is Brahma Chaitanya. Both are different from Jiva Chaitanya. This case is not valid. Atayava na Dvitiyopi. Dvitiya is
Brahma Chaitanya.
Brahma Chaitanya. Savishesha Brahmano api kalpitatvena tatra adhyasa ayogacha. If it is Savishesha Brahma is also kalpita. In that there is no adhyasa. Nirvishesha he has not taken yet. He will discuss. Nacha Shuddha. Now what about Shuddha Chaitanya? Means Tadeva Adhisthana. Why can't you say Nirvikalpaka Chaitanya is one? That is Adhisthana. Tatra avachedakam avidyadikam. In that avidya etc. are avachedaka. Avidyadikam na adhisthana kotau pravishati. Avidya does not become part of adhisthana. Avidya will create avarana for Vishaya, but it does not become part of adhisthana also. Adhisthana kotau na pravishati. Tadeva cha jiva shabdena brahma shabdena cha vyapadishyate. Upadhi vishesha. That same Shuddha Chaitanya without avidya is adhisthana, and with avidya is jiva. So jiva is Shuddha Chaitanya with avidya. Brahma is Shuddha Chaitanya without avidya. Tadeva cha jiva shabdena brahma shabdena cha vyapadishyate. Upadhi vishesha. Upadhi is a bheda between the two. And then what will happen? This is Purvapakshi's way of explaining. Tatacha. Jiva Chaitanya se driktve. If Jiva Chaitanya is drashta, drishya adhyaso driktve api. Drishya adhyaso na anupapanna. Na anupapanna. So Jiva Chaitanya, even if it is drashta, Drishya adhyasa is na anupapanna. Means it is upapanna. Drishya adhyasa can happen. Iti nacha vachyam. Siddhant Purvapakshi will say no. This is Purvapaksha. Purvapakshi is saying no, this will not happen. Why? Shuddha Chaitanyasya samsaram avrutattvena jagadandhya prasangat iti chet. Shuddha Chaitanya is covered until as long as you have samsara. When samsara nivritti happens, then only Shuddha Chaitanya will be out of the avritti, avarana, ajnana avarana. Until then, it is covered. Samsara is there up to that point. And because of that, because Shuddha Chaitanya is covered, Jagadandhya Prasanga, you will not know anything. Iti Chetna. Siddhanti says, Mula Avidya Nivritti Abhavena, Sarvataha Avarana Abhibhava Abhave Api, Atadi Avachedena Avarana Abhibhavat, andya viraha upapatte. So mula vidya nivritti may not be there, but tula vidya nivritti is there. Tad vishayak avarana nivritti there. Ghatadi avachedena avarana abhibhava is possible. Means I may not know I am Brahma, but I may know Ghata. So Ghata avarana nivritti has happened. Our Chaitanya, avachinna there is revealed. That much can happen. And therefore Jagadandya is not there. Nanu tarhi, we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.